Yeah, paper, see?
At it again.
I get it here. Yeah, man, so this clean up here and wash off it. Time to get it seasoned up. And I spice, yeah. Pimento seed. You know, we have the pepper, scallion and thyme, garlic. So stay tuned. Get the season them redden up and start seasoning up the pork. Loving that gun, man.
How much is that shop already? Ginger, my people. With ginger, pepper, garlic, scallion, and a great pimento seed.
Wow.
And also we'll combine everything in one mixture.
Smells so good. Wow, like that. Lovely fragrance, my people.
Everything combined.
Yeah, so I get it seasoned the right and proper way, you know? Yeah, my people. Wow, look at that, man. Wow. Show some browning on it. Some of them using on now. Make it marinate the right and properly way my people.
Golden.
Wow, look at that, man. People get the pork so I put on now, isn't it? We're not using no oil, natural, isn't it? Yeah, my people, check in. Wow, look at that. Look at that, my people. Wow. Check in back on the pork again on the people. How do you next story? Watch the man. Oh my God. Look at that, my people. Just the fragrance alone, man. They come off now, man. Look how much mouth. Look how much mouth. Take him out there. No, we want to eat pork, so we won't carry on. Wow. Check him again for the agate on the peeps. Wow, look at that. Just the fragrance alone, that is so amazing. Oh my God. Wow. I know, I'll get back the top doors up like I know my people. it's so amazing, man.
No, some of this have to go in like, you know, more flavor, more
What people
taste.
put right now, when you see?
More flavor, more taste.
So any people, we add a bottle of Coca-Cola to the pork. The Coca-Cola to the pork, more fragrance. And we add some vinegar to it. Wow. Oh my God. And then the people, we get a tenderizing in it right now, make it stay firm. So at the end of the day, pork are gonna eat so good. Yeah, my people, so now the meanwhile, the sweet potato, you put the sweet potato in the fire, you see me? And you are going to have it go on nice and easy, bake down. Yeah, my people, so the sweet potato ready. So we get them come off for now. Dust it on, we get some oil in the reduction now. One time. Every time. And then just wait for it. Just wait for all of that for people. Just fill and put a little bit of color along with the scotch bonnet pepper, put a little bit of color. Then you start chopping the fish when you in the village. Village, I swear, village.
No, I bought bees in my hand.
Okay, this no, this
yeah.
but you're not ready yet.
Me and me man, pass it man. Wow, yeah, pass it. Yeah, my fine.
People, then you refuse me. Remember, stay tuned for everything, you know. And man, we're going to dice up some of the sweet potato them same way, you see me? We're going to put them in a wedge. We're going to get them fried same way, you understand me, people? Wow, look at that, man. Look at that. Yeah, man, keep them golden there, you know, me, people? Next to them, and come out the frying pan, go to the plate, and some napkins, up down the other first set of fish, ready to come out. Stay tuned for all of that, my people. Straight to the napkin, you know. So the napkin, I will absorb all the oil out of the fish, you see me? So stay tuned for all of that, my people. Wow, look at that, man. So pretty down, chocolate brown, you know. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Who does it better? Only Penkus spear fishing, you see me? So I'm going to drop in a second set the people, so stay tuned for all of that, you see me? Wow. Look at that drop, my people. Oh my God. Yeah, my people, cooking this second chicken wing. Looking so good as this. Yeah, my people. Just like the first turn, you know what I mean? The first turn, look at that. Wow, oh my God. So anyway, my people, we have the pork that is over there, as I'm saying. And we have the fish on the fry over there meanwhile. So anyway, we have the sweet potato. I'm going to eat with the fish on the meanwhile. So, meanwhile the pork over there, people. We're going to eat the pork with some rice and peas. You see me? So stay tuned for all of that. But the original name for it, you know, my people, a pot roast. You hear me tell you? That's the original name for the pork, pot roast. So anyway, I go and get the okra, them diced up. Already get them washed off already. Get them diced up. One pepper, we're going to dice up same way. Then everything will go inside the pot roast zine. So now I'm going to stay tuned with me in the peeps until we get the pot come off of the fire zine. Yeah, my people, stay tuned for all of this. Wow. I'll get that story on now, my people. Look at that, man. I know, my people, the fire stick I use, I got my fire stick this in a man. Original pitch pint, you know? And some cedar wood, isn't it? Using the cedar wood with the pitch pint, give the pot a different fragrance. Hope you guys love this one. Hope you guys like, share, and subscribe, you know, my people. Look at that. Whoa. Man. Oh my God. It smells so amazing with the garlics and the ginger. I the pork at taste now, so let's stay tuned with people.
Yes, it be.
Wow, look at that. Yo, don't make run on that, don't make run on that.
Hey, Brady.
Yeah, Baker.
Tachi. Oh, we go sample up.
Huh?
Sample up.
Man, see sample man them come on, man. See I like sample man them.
Come on, taste now. How it taste?
Sample rock you.
Tell us say pork man and go come in. Jesus Christ.
You want to go down with the time, you feel it come for your mouth.
Alright. Man them love you, isn't me? Man them love you. Also get the peas cooked from the inside. Yeah, with the pressure the pressure cooker. Yeah, isn't me? So don't worry about that, my people. Wow. No, there's no way pork, so no.
Look out the water now. Look out the water now. We are done.
One paper seed, yeah, pimento seed for the rice and peas. So, different pimento seed and rice and peas. Yes, it's an all-purpose spice, you know. The pimento seed, you understand? Piece of ginger, and then
Wow, big up the fragrance, my people, you know?
I take them season up my pot, stay tuned, rice and peas. That's what I'm going to say, yeah.
Remember jasmine rice, no, my people. Jasmine rice, isn't it? Yeah, man.
But good, stay tuned. Oh. Bubble, that's a bubble. You know what next? See it here? Coconut milk.
Original,
Yeah, we don't have none for greater today. So, just go ahead. Here,
them.
There's a few of them, I understand, babes. Yeah, people, see them there?
Margarine butter.
Yeah, we still season rice, so I get you the butter now.
Butter, we are dealing.
Yeah, people.
Alright, my people, go and stay tuned. Always remember,
Like,
share,
subscribe.
and speaking on the people. And I love the patrol pork. Just leave a comment and tell me something on the love. I love the rice and peas. I like how we can dice up the scallion. Tell me on the love. Yeah, man.
Just comment in the comment section which meat you want to
We look
chef
both.
up.
Yeah.
I say if you don't get it, peeps.
As a lobster on the
Anything.
people.
Anything at all, I
Yeah,
say.
man. Any video. no matter what.
Kangaroo, anything that you want to see with you. We have it.
Alright. Yeah, man, we just drop it this thing and we call the people. I pass on the fragrance.
Oh, God.
Just the pimento seed alone, guys, along with the ginger, along with the scotch bonnet pepper. We also have the garlics. What a combination, man. Oh my God.
Yes. So, people, we are done now. I get the rice seed.
Yeah, man, that's I get the rice train. Wow. Look at that. The rice looks so yellow and pretty. Wow. Oh my God. Wow, look at that, man. That's the margarine butter, the yellowness. Get the rice a different color. So amazing, my people. Wow.
Beautiful.
You got a little story.
Beautiful.
So after all of that, my peeps, I'm gonna make the corn, the food part of work. You see me? After I get the pot cup up and now, you see me? So amazing, man, you see me? So amazing. Man.
Yeah, peeps, so come look what I go on. See it, yeah?
Wow, oh my God.
Yes, so we make them see what I go on.
Yeah, man,
Turn down the fire, put 2 black. Turn down the fire.
original way.
See what we are going to do now. Put the foil on it. Go and
Yeah,
see
man.
it.
Hey guys, may I tell you something? Can smell the fragrance when it come out of the rice. Can smell the pimento seed, the ginger. Oh my God.
Yeah.
piece of foil paper and put it on top of the rice. The foil paper is gonna make the rice simmer down and more shelly. So hope you guys enjoy this one. Oh my god, look at that. Yes, man. Stay tuned on the people. Hope you guys love this one, you know.
People, we see what about. Check in back for our rice and now. Alright, peeps. You are going there. Yeah, peeps. So, I get a story.
Very surely, you know. We're fine, a friend link up to the straight front of New York City. Pretty baby. Yeah man, big up the place man. Yeah man. So anyway, she there. I will make sure taste
I'm not going to chicken.
the egg, you know. I just egg alone.
In the next 5 minutes, the rice ready. I'll show you how to share with the rice.
Foreign people, them man. Big up the foreigner them. Big up the foreigner them in our house. Big up the foreigner them.
Jamaican.
Yeah man, you see yourself on YouTube. Yeah man.
Eat ya. Let's see what I got. Yeah man.
Wow, look at that.
Ready. So we lock off a fire now. Sharing time.
And the pork already ready on the people. Yeah man, there's a thing ready up.
My dog. Man, go for 2 plates. Go for 10 young plates, please. Go talk to him.
Milton. Marvin. Yeah, go for 2 plates. Eh? That one. Down there. Yeah. Oh, this thing there.
In there.
Nobody has to stay in my bed.
Some bad boy in there. Some bad boy in there.
Rim.
And look where you see how we turn down stove. That's how we could turn down coal pot. Regular. See you have this. Originally man. See them man, you can shine it on the phone and make them know say. How cheap phone I use on a blue. You see me? Yeah. Yeah. Scoop General. Be a scoop fast today. Flush tap. Flush tap. One Ricky. Flush tap.
It is a great day.
Flush tap.
One top chef in the peeps. Nevertheless.
Any man said they're hungry wicked.
Yeah man, that's a steal man.
We can think we can have box and I flip for the come here.
Yeah, man, food all left, man.
Yo! Gringo!
Gringo.
Gringo!
Gringo.
You don't see what I go on?
See what I got?
I don't know what to for the gringo then. Eh?
Put more salt on it. You can taste some with salt on it. Taste it. Taste it, brother man. Gringo. Start the rest of it. Right that. 34.
Watch up, star. Watch up, star. Round on the place.
Nah, boy.
A squat.
I'm black, man. I'm black. I'm black. I'm black.
So share traffic for consume some food, you know. You don't make you see this. Alright, bye. Yeah, man, so some food I go and consume and everything. Go and get it up, bro. Yeah. You know what you said?
Epic.
Nachi.
Pork and a benefit.
Hey, talk about move.
Last I tell my people.
When the gravy, man. That's what the gravy pass
You know you want to give me none for a long time.
Done, yeah.
Gravy pass.
We can't get that.
You can't buy. You can't buy.
No.
Gravy done.
Nothing left. Nothing at all left. See them peeps. I just look the rice left back, you see me? Just look the rice left back.
John, I know you can't go
Consume some food, you know.
It's a good day, it's a good day. Time's hurry up. Times? Right now, time's get. Times have to go up so man plate. Take some of meat out of every man plate times. One plate. Take some meat out of some.
You can't get rice. Yeah, but this one spoke yourself. Do a spoke yourself for them.
I already found some man.
Yeah, do a spoke yourself for them. Yeah, do a spoke yourself for them, man. Do a man for them, man. I best do that. You know have no sense. I'm not being banned.
Put some gravy. Man, flip up. Link you first and give me nothing, dog.
I was saying mean to you. That's all mean, man.
Yeah, I guess my gravy, man.
Yeah, peeps, so I end in a video. I go and consume some food. See it, yeah. One fish head me I go and mash up. Yeah, man. I will say like, share, subscribe, stay tuned.
Come make sure them say put them off. On a plate. See there?
Done, man.
Yeah, man.
Empty,
Clean, man.
Nothing now.
Now we need another one.
Put it on the rice. Let me see what
Just this we have to ketchup.
Cha-cha.
Yeah.
That's how it is, people. Now will be a second. Let's do it.
Man, paper. Remember, you know, man. Keep tuned to the videos. Always leave a like, share, tell a friend, another friend, and another friend. Yeah, man.
And then my people, I know it's a party time now, so I'm gonna make a select that take control. Come bookings, fatherly, anytime, I don't have any party, any type of thing, bookings, you see me? So select I go take charge and now, you know, it's a big party little more, so I'm out.
Select that tell in front of man.
Yeah, select I get them in front of man, the bookings in front of man. IG, TikTok, Facebook, in shout out. You're my paper, out, you know. Hope you guys love this one.
I remember the chef over there saying.
And
I remember the chef.
you're my people. Yeah, man, see you, man.
You know, say it's a bookings,
One lobster, man.
man. Give them your IG lobster.
Yeah man, you know say Lobster King Mac. See me straight on all platform. IG, TikTok. You know? Just subscribes and fully book. Book man, book. Fully book.
Alright, anyway, my people, thank you guys for the support. Thank you guys for tuning in from the beginning until the end. Appreciate it. Always remember, my people, one Penkus spear fishing. Tell a friend. Remember to leave a like and a comment. Thank you guys for the lovely support. Thank you for your turning out. Out now. Respecting our peeps.